Cement, iron oxide, and natural resources from across the state. That's the recipe for the last roof you'll ever buy. In tonight's sponsored Utah success story, AM Monsen shows us how Bartile came to be.
You've driven by this sign for years. Have you ever wondered what Bartile is? This third-generation family-owned business prides itself as the only custom tile manufacturing and design company in the entire country, all based out of Centerville. Go back in time to 1942. Lou Evans sees a unique product and buys the rights to create a long-lasting tile made of cement and calls the new handmade product Bartile.
My grandfather loved the idea of having a permanent roof.
75 years later, and with every roof having a 75-year warranty, many of Lou Evans's earliest projects remain. Next comes the second generation. They build their own automation manufacturing equipment that is still in use today. Fast forward to the third generation.
We have the best wind rating in the industry. They are completely fireproof. And the one thing that most people don't realize is how energy efficient a tile roof is.
Bartile's customization consultants will help anyone browse their 700+ color options with more than 20 different shapes and styles to choose the right fit for their homes.
This is the swirl brush texture where no two tiles are exactly the same. And this is the cobbled texture that looks like a natural old quarried slate. This is really popular in the Northwest, where there's a lot of natural moss that grows on roofs.
And then over here, Steve, I'm sensing some tile we often see in southern Utah. Is that right?
That's correct. This is our Spanish-style tile that has a higher profile.
And for those times when standard tile isn't cutting it, Bartile also has craftsmen like Guadalupe here who literally customizes special orders by hand.
He's a true artisan, but let's see how good you are. The first thing you do is you take the mud and you put it on the plate. Now you grab the bar and you smooth it out.
And as this homegrown company's own profile continues to raise the roof with customers everywhere, those leading it say they'll never leave the state that helped them get off the ground.
We love being part of this community, and we love growing this community. We love beautifying this community with our roofs, so we're here to stay.
In Centerville with another Utah success story, I'm AM Monsen.